What are the 5 areas that can give you good and better health? All of us ignore these 5 areas most of the time when we take care of our body. One is our tongue. It's very important. Apart from brushing our teeth, we have to use a tongue cleaner to clean our tongue. This is known as miswak in the Islamic practice, where you say you have to use the miswak for better health, because you know that your tongue and your mouth can store a lot of bacteria and germs with the food we eat. We also goggle our mouth, but at times there are ingrained material that remain in, which leads to bacterial growth. So if you're able to brush your teeth, goggle your mouth, and use the tongue cleaner, not with pressure but very mildly, and remove the ingrained bacteria, it will help you with better health. Next, you also have your nostril. So it is important to wash, when you wash your face, to wash the area around the nose with warm water, and also not to put any pressure while breathing out. Gently, and with the Islamic tradition that is there, we have to, when you blow your nose, use your left hand and blow out. And also wash your hands thoroughly. This is a method of washing the hands too, where you wash your hand. You wash your hand like from here to here and go on till the elbow. That is a method of washing and cleansing your hands too. And then you have the armpits. Armpits accumulate dust and sweat a lot, but they are drainage pores in our body that helps you to clear the sweat. And so it is important when you clean them, you also wash them thoroughly and use a soft sponge to clean them. Do not put much pressure. We also have the practice of every 15 days shaving those armpits, and it's important to maintain that, because it will help you not to see that detoxification is done naturally. And if you are not doing it the right way, it accumulates toxin and in turn affects the lymph nodes. The lymph nodes affect other parts of the body. To avoid that, this practice also is very important and plays a significant part in Islam. Now let us go to the belly button. This is the umbilical cord, where when it's removed there is a belly button there, and if you're able to keep that clean, that also helps for you in good health, because it has 4 to 5 areas the belly button takes care of. It could be and it will give you good health. And next you have the feet. Have you ever wondered why the older generation not only wash the feet but see that it is dry? Because if you leave the feet wet and you cover it with the socks, overuse of that wet feet with socks can accumulate fungus infection. To avoid all that and for better health, as you grow older, all these practices can help in better health, better mobility, and also the feeling of mood being good. Good health always makes you feel good. And in every cell in our body, if you are able to not only have your bath daily, but also have a mind-free, positive vibe, you can improve your health, because your mental health will also depend on your positive reactions, and your positive thoughts will also lead to positive feelings, and in turn they will lead to positive action. Suppose you're feeling low, your mood is not so good, then obviously it affects your physical health too. To avoid all this, if you are able to concentrate on these areas, then you clean your tongue, your nose, your armpits, your sole of your feet, and not to leave the gap in between your toes wet, and also to gently sit and spend some time washing it and doing foot massage. This is it's very important. And also, if you are able to keep your armpits clean by washing them the right way and drying them the right way, instead of putting a lot of deodorants to avoid sweat of smell, because the armpits are where all the detoxification takes place. So if you're able to wash them properly, give a little bit of, not spending hours in cleaning up, but little bit of your time and washing them, your health can be much, much better. Thank you.